We're gonna tour around the house. So guys, this is the living the room. It's here. Why are we here?
This is the bedroom and this is the bedroom. Dili ang desk. Dili mo na ang desk.
Yeah. Naibalbas ang likod, guys.
That's just normal. Asa ang bed din?
Naikuan dali, guys.
Asa ang bed?
Dali! Let's go. Next station, there's a bus there. This is the living room. Couch. And this is the dining room. This is the kitchen. Supposed to be the kitchen. But where is the cabinet? This is the bathroom. No bathroom. With no mirror. This is the dirty kitchen. And this is where Tita Rose is living. Nice. There's an upstairs. Oh. Alger ba yung pintalan ng kanikon? Pero pintalan ng kaning stairs. Pero pintalan ng stairs. No, it didn't. Wala eh. Today we will tour you around the house. Don't mind my look. She's eating. Hoy! Bawal na na. Bawal na. Share mo.
Hello, wala na yung echo din eh. Echo.
Pabuhan na ni.
Iyan o kapit.
Okay. Don't mind her, she's crazy. No, but crazier. She thinks she's in snow. Today, guys, we're in our house. Let's go outside, guys. I'm a vlogger today. ang sikot din.
Oh my god, my pimples are getting. Huh?
Hindi makuha ako.
I just said it was my pimples. So greedy.
I'm sorry, nasama ako.
Not my problem.
Ano? Tanghulot